Hello everyone and welcome to today's Tooltip Tuesday. We have just released new software version for Automark X, and one of the features is improvement on the tool group setup. So now you can create multiple tool groups on a palette with physical separation between them, as you can see here on this example I have prepared before. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing, you hit the new button on the screen, and then you need to select the palette for your job. So let's say, for argument's sake, we are going to use 10mm Robomate palette. So we need to scroll down in the list and try to find the right palette, which that's the one, that's the right palette. We hit apply to use it, and then it shows us the palette setup screen. And then we want to set up our 3 tool groups on this palette. So say the first tool group will be 80 tools, the second 70, and the third one will be 60 tools. And we want them to be physically separated from each other with at least one row of pockets. So first tool group, we say we want 80 tools. So there's 2 ways of setting up the number of tools. You can either hit the edit button here and the top part of the screen, say 80, but also you can change the number of tools for the selected tool group in this section of the screen, and you can change the number to whatever you want. So bring it back to 80, that's what you wanted. And let's set up the second tool group now. So the second tool group, as we said, is going to be 70 tools. So now, if you would normally put the 70 tools for the second tool group, the system automatically takes the next available pocket to maximize the capacity of the palette and distributes those 70 tools in a pocket. But we don't want this. We want to have this physical separation. So let's remove the second one and let's redo it again, and I show you how to achieve this separation. So you select the second one, and now you need to select only single tool. So it's a little trick which lets you select the pockets manually. So now you go ahead and select the first pocket from what you want to populate the remaining tools for this group, and then you select the final amount of blanks in this tool group, which let's say it's 70. So now you have 2 tool groups with a physical separation between them. And we want another one, tool group number 3. So we doing exactly the same way. Select single tool, select the pocket from we want to start. We need to, don't forget to remove the original one, otherwise it will start populating from the first one. And we select the number of blanks, so make it 60. And here you go, we have just set up 3 tool groups with physical separation between them. There's one more interesting option introduced in version 11, which lets you change the order how the tools are populated in the palette. So this is like a vertical field direction versus horizontal, which is standard. So you can just swap between those 2 options. So that's another cool feature in version 11. So that's pretty much it. So now you know how to set up multiple tool groups with physical separation between them. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please let us know in comments, and we'll be happy to help with any answers. Thank you very much. We'll see you next week, and bye for now.